You can find the resource library from the left menu on the project list page. The resource library allows you to upload and organize your files. In this video we are going to upload a PDF file, and embed it within an e-learning project. First, click New File to upload a document. You can drag and drop files onto the upload area, or click Browse to select a file from your computer. You can upload many different file types. Check out the related help article for the full list. Please note that there is a separate image library, so we recommend using that for any image content. Once we have uploaded the file, it will appear in the list. Remember, you can add folders to organize your files. From this list we can preview files by simply clicking on them. Depending on the file type, the preview will open in a new window, or the file may download. Click the pencil icon to rename a file, and click the link icon to see the URL and iframe information. These can be used to add links to the files elsewhere, but we don't need them to include files within Lab Advanced. To add a document or link within a project, we just need to open the Resources section from the left menu. Resources link will add a simple link within a text box. When a learner clicks the link, the document will download to their computer. If your file is a PDF, you can use the iframe option to embed the document onto the page. This means that learners can see the file directly without downloading it, or opening a new window.